Thousands of Americans are discovering a simple secret that they say brings them profound happiness, better health, and a newfound sense of confidence. It's a choice that might seem surprising at first, but for those who embrace it, the rewards are deeply felt and very real. We're talking about the nudist lifestyle, often called naturism or social nudity. This isn't about being outlandish or shocking, it's about finding a more natural and accepting way of being. This essay is an invitation to understand the real reasons behind this growing movement. We will walk through the simple, everyday benefits people experience, feeling more at peace in their own skin, building friendships that go deeper than surface appearances, with a warm heart and an open mind, looking at facts and listening to real stories of people who have found joy. So what does it mean to live a nudist or naturist lifestyle? It is far simpler than you might imagine. It's the practice of spending time without the barrier of clothing, only in safe, designated private environments. Think of special beaches, welcoming resorts, member-based clubs, one's own home. People come from all walks of life: teachers, lawyers, retirees, young families. Their reasons vary, but often circle back to core desires: a longing for better health, genuine comfort in their own bodies, and a powerful sense of personal freedom. A return to a simpler state, judged by the person, not the brand. Many think, I could never do that. But those who try say their fear melts away faster than expected. They speak of simple, tangible gains. Imagine the sun warming your entire back, not just the bits between your shirt and shorts. Picture swimming in a lake or ocean with nothing between your skin and the cool, refreshing water. These are the small, sensory joys people mention, experiencing the world in a more direct, unmediated way. One of the most immediate and powerful benefits that people report from social nudity is a profound reduction in stress. In our modern lives, we are constantly confined, not just by schedules and responsibilities, but by our very clothes. Belts that pinch, collars that are too tight, fabrics that don't breathe. Small, constant stressors we don't notice until they are gone. When you remove your clothes in a safe and accepting environment, your body can finally just, be. There is a physical release, a sensation of lightness and freedom that directly translates into mental calm. People often say they sleep more deeply and peacefully after a day at a nude resort or beach. Beyond comfort, being nude can be a powerful tool for mindfulness. Without the distraction of what you're wearing, your mind can quiet down. You become more aware of warmth, texture, sound. This awareness can pull you out of anxious loops. As one frequent visitor to a naturist park in Florida shared, "The minute I get here and take my clothes off, my work worries evaporate." Embracing nudity helps dismantle low-grade anxiety about our bodies. The focus shifts from appearance to experience. Playing, swimming, talking, nudity becomes secondary. This frees energy once spent on self-criticism, allowing more joy, connection, and inner peace. The lesson lasts. Your worth isn't tied to appearance. Confidence carries into daily life. In a world saturated with filtered photos and perfected images, loving our own bodies can feel like an uphill battle. Naturist communities offer a powerful antidote. You see real bodies, dozens, even hundreds, in all their natural variety. Young, old, athletic, soft, scars, stretch marks, bodies that have carried children. You see the incredible diversity of the human form. A realization dawns. Normal is not one shape or size. Normal is everything. Exposure to unedited bodies dismantles unrealistic standards. Surrounded by people living without shame, you start seeing your own body through a kinder lens. A scar, some cellulite, a not perfectly flat belly, seen on others who are happy and unconcerned. This normalization is healing. It quiets the inner critic. When you stop worrying how your body looks, you enjoy what it can do. Swim with abandon. Stretch in the sun. Walk feeling the ground beneath your feet. Sarah, first visiting in her 50s. For decades, I hated my thighs. The first time I crossed the pool deck, I was terrified, but no one even looked. By weekend's end, I'd forgotten about them. I was just me, enjoying the sun. It was life-changing. It's a gentle defiance of a culture profiting on insecurity. Choosing to be seen says, "You are enough," and the confidence comes home with you. Accepting your body is a cornerstone of well-being. For many, social nudity is the most direct path. Beyond stress relief and body positivity, naturism fosters a strong sense of community. When you remove external markers, designer clothes, watches, uniforms, people connect on a human level. Conversations become more open, more authentic, less superficial. Without armor, people share their true selves. Friendships deepen based on humor, kindness, interests, stories. You're welcomed for your character, not your costume. Communities form around potlucks, volleyball, yoga, book clubs, music nights. People share meals, help with projects, simply enjoy each other's company. Friendships extend beyond the club, celebrations, support through hard times, becoming family. As one gentleman said, "These people are my family. When my wife passed, they brought food, sat with me, made sure I wasn't alone." You don't find that just anywhere. Here, we look out for each other. That sense of belonging makes naturism a vital part of many lives. For newcomers, a primary concern is behavior. What are the rules? Established venues have clear, strictly enforced codes to keep everyone safe and comfortable. The most fundamental rule is respect, regardless of age, gender, or body type. The philosophy desexualizes nudity. No overt staring, no gawking, no leering. A casual glance is natural. An intrusive stare is not acceptable. No sexual activity or inappropriate advances in public areas. Staff uphold standards. Photography is tightly controlled. No photos without explicit consent. Many clubs ban cameras in common areas. Strict privacy ensures people can truly relax and builds trust. Common sense courtesy. Always sit on a towel, on loungers, benches, in dining areas. Follow simple guidelines. Be respectful, don't stare. Don't take unauthorized photos, and always use a towel. These rules keep the focus on relaxation, community, and a healthy appreciation for nature and the human form. It's natural to have questions. Privacy, the law, family. Let's address them honestly. Reputable clubs invest in security, clear rules, and a culture of looking out for one another. Laws vary by state. Most social nudity occurs on private property, clubs and resorts, to remove legal ambiguity. Organizations provide resources and lists of legal places to relax without worry. Many venues are family-friendly with rigorous conduct rules, presenting nudity as natural and matter-of-fact. Curious? Start gently. Visit a well-established clothing-optional resort or club as a day guest. Go at your own pace. Most report nervousness fades within an hour. People are simply reading, talking, or swimming. This isn't a call to action, but to reflection. If you seek more peace and less judgment, a small, careful step may reveal a new sense of freedom in the sun.